Ever wonder how different cultures celebrate life, even in death? Today we're diving into the Igbo traditions of Nigeria.
Right. This is based on Kovic's cogitations, and it's fascinating how seriously Igbos take their village associations even when they live far away.
Okay, so who's in charge when someone passes?
Well, the first son usually organizes the funeral. He's the figurehead, but he gets a ton of support from family and even village organizations.
Ah, I see. So it's a real community effort then?
Definitely. The support, both financial and practical, really depends on how well regarded the deceased was, regardless of his wealth.
And what about the church? How does that fit in with the traditional customs?
The church is usually present, but the main event is traditional. It's seen as a way for the community to send the person home in accordance with their customs,
Interesting. It sounds like a balancing act between tradition and modern religious practices.
Right. Some villages are trying to minimize the expense and delay of funerals. There is a real danger in putting them off for too long.
So what are some key elements of the actual funeral event?
Well, guests bring gifts. They bring like cloth, drinks, and cash. And the breaking of the kola nut is super important for blessings,
And the heir, the first son, does he have a specific role during the funeral?
Oh, yeah. He often performs a dance in honor of the deceased, with everyone spraying money. It's a big deal. Ultimately, it's about celebrating life and the continuation of their heritage, their kind.
It sounds like a deeply meaningful and complex cultural event. Thanks for shedding some light on it.